Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom header and footer for your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give your site that perfect professional touch up top and down below, all without touching a line of code. So whether you want to add your logo, tweak navigation till it's just right, or make your footer really pop, I'll guide you step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first. In your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Appearance section. You'll find this in the left sidebar. It's the heart of where you manage how your site looks. Give it a click, and a list of options will drop down for you. Here you want to select Themes. Now you'll see all the themes you currently have installed. Go ahead and decide which theme you'd like to use for your header and footer design. If you're not sure, no worries, you can always experiment and switch between them. Just pick the one you think fits your site best. Once you've made your choice, just hover over that theme and click Activate. Don't worry if your site changes its look a bit, that means you're in the right place. Activating a theme basically tells WordPress, okay, this is the style I want for my site right now. It's like picking out an outfit. You can always change later if you want a different vibe. Now with your theme activated, let's move into the fun part, customizing. Right beside the theme, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, which is a toolkit for adjusting how everything looks and behaves, from colors to menus and beyond. But today we're focusing on headers and footers. Next, we'll go a level deeper and open the site editor. On some themes, this might say Editor Beta or just Editor. Click into that and you'll notice the editing area shifts a bit. Take a breath here. Sometimes it feels like a lot, but it's designed to help you visualize exactly what your visitors will see. Now look over to the right side of the editor. You'll see a tab labeled Templates. Give it a click. This is where you manage the layout and structure of your site's main pieces. You'll notice listed among your templates, there's one for your header and another for your footer. If you don't see them immediately, look for options like Template Parts. That's where themes might file these building blocks. Here, where the real magic happens. Click into the header template first. You can now edit and customize your header however you like. Maybe you want to upload your logo so it always stands out, or rearrange your navigation menu to make it easier for visitors to find your important pages. Want to add a call to action button or highlight your social links? This is your creative space. Remember, the header is usually the first thing people see, so make it welcoming, clear, and brand friendly. Now do the same with your footer. This section shows up at the bottom of every page, and it's a smart spot to put things like contact info, copyright notices, quick links, or even a newsletter sign-up. Just like with the header, you can drag, drop, edit text, or add blocks. Think of it like arranging pieces on a digital bulletin board. Take your time here. Customizing these parts can transform your site from looking generic to truly feeling like your own space. And if you ever make a mistake or change your mind, remember there's always an undo option. Nothing is set in stone. When you're happy with your custom header and footer, click Save in the editor. You can now preview your site to see your fresh new look live. And that's it, you've just personalized two of the most important parts of your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or get stuck along the way, drop a comment below. I'm here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.